focus upon the living area with the sofa set right. So this is your spacious kitchen area. As you enter, you can have a look at this bed space over here. What if your home was perfectly placed between Marathali, ORR, Sarjapur, Whitefield and even Vartur? Introducing you all with Prestige Evergreen Park. So hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Prestige Evergreen Park located on Vartur Main Road in Whitefield, Bangalore. The project developed by Prestige Group. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing near to our main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our Evergreen Park, and once you enter there will be a wide road, the private road which will take you towards your land parcel, and the marketing office is just over this side where you'll be getting all the information and detail, and even you can check out the model flat as well. But before starting, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builder. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 24 acres of massive land parcel with 14 residential tower, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, offering you exclusive 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities
like of 85,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, multi-purpose court, lush green garden area, office spaces, cafeteria, indoor game zone, swimming pool and much more.
Now about the location part, and the project is located opposite to Vartur Lake on Whitefield Vartur Main Road in Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Whitefield Vartur Main Road, and this road on the back end side will take you towards Whitefield, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Vartur. And about the Vartur Lake, which is just opposite to our land parcel over here. Now about the further connectivity, so you can connect to Manipal Hospital in just 500 meters. Nexus Whitefield is 1 kilometer away. Hope Farm Metro Station is 4 kilometers, and the best part, you can connect to Prestige Tech Forest in just walking distance. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1486 square feet, super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So once you enter, this is the main entrance, and here's your digital door lock for your privacy. Now this is your spacious living and the dining area. So first let's focus upon the living area with the sofa set right over here, the TV unit, and you can even check out they have a connecting balcony as well. Here's a connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered, giving you perfect view of the city. Now let's focus upon the dining area, and here is your dining area, the massive dining area where you can set a dining table in a horizontal way, and even you can look at the interior work done for your reference. Now moving further towards your kitchen. So you have to take a passage area to enter towards your kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area, and you can have a look over here with the flooring, the anti-skid flooring that they are providing in the kitchen. Here's a platform. You can have a look at the interior with the platforms, the cabinets. They have even provided a window as well. About the utility area, so right over here is the utility with anti-skid tiles again, and the provision for your machine. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. So right this side is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, you can have a look at the bed space over here with a huge window for your ventilation and lighting purpose. And there's ample of space to move around with a wardrobe right over the side. Even they have set a TV unit for you. Now Here's a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about your bedroom number 2. So right beside this bedroom is your bedroom number 2. And this bedroom is perfect, right? A cozy one with a bed space, and even it has a private balcony as well. So this is a balcony with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing. So this bedroom has ample of space. Here's a TV unit space and a wardrobe. Now let's move further. So once you step out, right over this side is your common washroom. The common washroom space with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. And now about the master bedroom. So let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with the sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, and even about 360-degree location tour. So now about the master bedroom. So your master bedroom is just located on the other side of the house. So now once you enter, you can have a look at this bed space over here. And over this side, here's a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's a private washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Even a TV unit space as well. But before that, let me show you, here's the wardrobe space which is tucked inside. The TV unit is right over here. So now, as you all know, we are here at Prestige Group's project. Have you checked another project with Prestige Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow Subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.